In this video, I will guide you on how to enable, disable, or customize always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first things first, to enable always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you want to head over to the settings and then scroll all the way down until you find the lock screen and AOD option. Just at the top, you should be able to find the always on display option, so you can actually disable it from over here or enable it. Mine is currently enabled, but you can also customize it by tapping on the always on display text over here. At the top, you want to make sure that always on display is actually turned on, and if you scroll a little bit down, we have the show lock screen wallpaper, which actually shows your wallpaper when the always on display is turned on. This really looks good but might consume some battery life. More importantly, you want to make sure that where we have the when to show, you want to make sure it is actually set to always. So by default, it is set to tap to show, but this is not actually always on display because it only works when you tap on the screen. So if you actually lock your screen, you can see that we do not have the always on display. It only shows when you actually tap on the screen, and that is most likely not what you want. So what you want to do is to make sure it is set to always, so that whenever you just close your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it automatically goes into the always on display screen. If you also come out of this, there are other things you can actually do. So if you come here, you can also set to show the now bar at the bottom or not, which is basically this bar over here, and you can literally see it if you tap on the screen. So you can see the now bar over here. And finally, if you want to customize the screen at this point, all you just have to do is to customize your lock screen. So you just want to go over to your lock screen and then long press on any part of the screen to customize it. Then tap on the clock at the top over here if you want to customize the clock. You can see we have different front and colors over here. If you come over to style, you can also customize how you want the clock. You can even adjust the size of the clock if you want directly from over here as well. Tap on it and you also have the option to choose other clock styles, and there is also the option for you to choose if you want the weather information to show or not. There is also the option for you to choose if you want the dates to show above your clock. You can go ahead and enable it or disable it depending on your need. But that is all for this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.